In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on WhatsApp web. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in on your computer, open the right chat, and block a contact quickly and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type WhatsApp web and open the official WhatsApp web page. You can also go directly to web.whatsapp.com if you prefer. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before you proceed. On the WhatsApp web page, you'll see options to link your account. Most people will use the QR code method. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the device linking area, and scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. If you see an option to link with your phone number instead, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll enter your number and then confirm the link through your phone. Either way, you're connecting the same WhatsApp account that you use on your mobile device to your browser. Once you're logged in, your chats will appear on the left. If they don't load immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. Now, find and select the conversation with the person you want to block. Clicking their name will open the chat on the right side of the screen. With the chat open, look toward the top of the conversation for the vertical ellipsis, which is the three-dot menu. Click it to reveal more options. In many cases, you'll see a block option directly in that menu. If you don't see block right away, choose Contact Info from the menu and then scroll within the contact panel to find the block option there. Click Block to begin. Depending on the account, a pop-up may appear asking why you want to block this person. Select the reason that best fits your situation. This step helps improve safety features and spam detection. You may also see a prompt to report the contact. Only choose that if the messages are unwanted or abusive. Finally, confirm by clicking Block. After you confirm, that contact won't be able to message or call you on WhatsApp, and they won't see updates to your profile photo, last seen, or online status. Your existing chat history stays as is, and you can unblock them later if needed from your contact info or WhatsApp settings. That's it. You opened WhatsApp web, signed in, selected the conversation, and used the three-dot menu to block the contact, confirming the reason when prompted. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.